pal, Dad. Best present ever.
You, sir, are an education in marital excellence. I'm really gonna miss you guys when we leave.
Ow!
Actually, I haven't told them yet.
Oh. Surprise!
You're leaving?
I thought you guys were gonna live with us the first couple of years.
I know, but Julian and I kind of want to roam for a while.
Rome?
Yeah. Travel, explore, just go wherever. No plan is the best plan. That's my philosophy. Hors d'oeuvres?
That's not a plan, or a philosophy, or very safe.
Dad, we're young. We can worry about being safe when we're old and boring. Like you and Mom.
I think we should just...
Excuse me, this is a family discussion.
But aren't I part of your family?
Not yet, you're not.
Does that look like a problem to you?
A ball of fire heading directly towards us? Why would that be a problem?
What if you fall in a ditch and get amnesia? What then, huh?
Manny, we have a problem.
Not now. I have a problem.
This one's a little bigger.
I don't think so.
Manny?
What?
Manny?
Okay. Party's over, everybody.
Hey!
Have a good night, and leave right now.
What are you talking about? The party just got started.
Yeah. Oh, just getting kind of sleepy. Everyone should go. And duck, possibly cover.
Hey, what's gotten into you?
Look! There's more coming! Meteor shower! Meteor? Shower?
Manny's love is killing us!
I suppose this is all part of your magic show for me?
Abracadabra.
Can you guys deal with this later?
Come on, we need to take cover.
Woohoo! I'm on fire! Woohoo! Me too! We're smoking hot, baby!
Incoming!
Those are ours! Are you okay? How many tusks do you see?
Tree!
3?
No! Tree!
Everybody jump! The cave! Get inside! Move! Move! Oh, it's okay, sweetheart. Daddy's...
It sounds like it's slowing down. Yep, it's definitely over. Except for that one.
We might want to think about moving underground for a while.
Look at that! I got an egg. How many eggs did you poach, little brother?
Do we have to steal other creatures' eggs? I mean, couldn't we just go vegan?
Sure, we can eat vegan.
Yeah!
Son, sometimes I wonder how you snuck into this family.
Figaro, 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 Figaro!
With you in a minute.
I'll have to rinse and repeat.
Ugh, that weasel is such a buzzkill. Let's go, kids!
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll catch the crew that poached your egg. It's a pun. I'm winking under the eye patch. A mother is crying, a damsel in distress. Foreboding intruders have made such a mess. What I detect is a lack of respect for all that is precious and dear. I am the pint-sized protector of this lost world. But my friends call me Buck. Well played, guys. I have a message. Bullies not welcome. Return what you've stolen. Go back where you came from. La 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 la. You know I'm greater, so don't be a hater. You may be Jurassic, but I am fantastic.
Figaro, 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 Figaro.
Oh, love that bit. Running and climbing and spinning and grinning and ducking and diving and dodging and sliding and gliding and staying alive. And these are a few of the things that I do before lunch. Death-defying, danger-denying. Look, I'm flying. You might think I'm mad, but hey, you only live once. No need to thank me. But if you insist, I won't resist. Who smells like fish? Hold on to your butts. Class dismissed. Good egg. Here you are, my lady. Huh? Go. I'll lead them away. Oh, that was fun. Same time, same place next week. Toodles!
Congratulations, Weasel. You just signed your death warrant.
Weaseled my way out of that one. What's all that flash and dazzle about? Who puts a rock in the middle of the jungle? Blimey. What is this place? Whoops.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, hello, mammals. Hi, Buck. Hi. Bye, Buck. A little help. Right on the spleen. Utterly useless, but totally hurts.
Hey, Buck. Welcome back, buddy.
Wait, this half a snack is a dinosaur whisperer?
And expert salsa dancer. Woo! I have one eye, but all my original teeth. Would you like to count them?
No, thank you.
And this must be nectarine.
Peaches?
Semantics, my dear. I am deeply honoured. Mwah!
Sweet eye patch. Very gangsta.
Thank you. I like this kid.
Buck,
Whoa!
what are you doing here?
Well, what? I'm trying. But how do you tell someone they're doomed? He's stumped.
We're not doomed, Buck. It was just a meteor shower and the show's over. Ah!
Oh, quite the contrary, old chap. It's just beginning. You see, I've found a prophecy.
Do you mind?
Boy, he really sucks the fun out of everything, doesn't he?
Fun sucker! I read this tablet front to back, and the story it tells is very disturbing. Every 100 million years or so, the world gets a cosmic cleansing. Before the dinosaurs, there were these horseshoe crab-looking thingies. Ugh, yuck. Then, at the bottom of this mountain range, an asteroid hit. Boom! Bye-bye! Next, dinosaurs. Mountain range asteroid. Boom! Bye-bye! And coming up next, mammals. Mountain range asteroid. Boom!
Bye-bye.
Stupid mammals.
That's us. Yep, and there she is, the mother of all asteroids, screaming towards us. Even going underground won't save us this time.
Hey, that wasn't there before. And look what it's doing to the sky.
No worries, because I've got a plan.
Really? To stop an asteroid?
Look, the last two asteroids have pummeled the Earth in the same spot. And it's about to happen again. We've got to go there and see what's attracting the asteroid. Once we know why it's coming, we can figure out how to send it somewhere else.
That plane is so dumb, I wish it had a face so I could smack it.
Let me get this straight. Instead of running away from a deadly asteroid, you want us to run directly towards it.
I know it sounds suboptimal, but the good news is it'd kill us no matter where we went.
Well, that's reassuring.
Okay, but even if we get to the crash site, how are we supposed to change what is literally written in stone?
Ah, my cynical friend. The dinos were wiped off the face of the Earth, but some escaped. They changed their fate, and we can change ours too. Who's with me?
So, what do you think?
Honestly, I'm worried the weasel's right.
No, don't listen to the weasel. He's a raving loon.
Sorry, I just love playing devil's advocate and looking fabulous.